Hi, hello and welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. In today's video I'm going to share a review on a skincare product I have been trying for a month now. So without any further delay, let's check what that product is, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, at least take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you've already done, thank you so much for your love and support, and don't forget to hit that like button if you like my videos, and do comment below in my comment section how you felt about the video, and if you have used this product already, your thoughts about them and so on. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in today's video I'm going to share about a product called Simple, and they do have a variety of products in their brand, and I have purchased their moisturizer and their face wash and micellar water. So these two are actually, I got this in a combo and I purchased this one separately. They do have a bigger version as well. So let's check one by one. So I'm going to review this micellar water first, because I feel like removal of makeup or dirt from your skin is the first part of cleansing. So let's see how this one is and what about the brand you have to know. Simple is of course a made in India product, but it is designed in London. Otherwise it's absolutely made in India product. They do have a very big claim that they are completely clean product, and they are actually very kind on our skin, and it can be used for like super sensitive skin as well. People who are allergic to almost everything around can actually use this product, because this one is something which is very mild and kind on your skin. That's what the claim is all about. So they do have a lot of claims, like they are cruelty free and vegan, and they are dermatologically tested and non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic, and they do not have artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals, and they don't have alcohol as well as any animal derived products. So these are the claims of this brand Simple. So yes, so all this actually made me really try out this product, because so let's check on this micellar water first. So this one has a 50 ml of product, and this is how it looks. I just got this product for the packaging most of all, because this really looks so attractive, and a very cute small packaging with the pouch, and they do have a flip thing, and it has a small pouch so that you cannot end up pouring more. So that's the really super part about this, and so I loved it. And this one retails for around 70 rupees, I believe. I'm not sure, I'll just give it on the screen. So, but it has 50 ml of product, and this is very gentle micellar water. But the point about this product is it cannot remove a little heavier makeup or waterproof makeup, because this is very mild, and it doesn't really removes all traces of makeup. I personally felt that. So micellar water for me from Simple is not a good choice. I would surely prefer Garnier on this, because Garnier does the job just spick and span. I love the way it removes makeup and any kind of dirt on your skin. I personally felt like Garnier micellar water is the best ever micellar water I've tried out. So I just got this for the packaging, and I wanted to try out 3 products from this brand, so I just got this. So again, if you are someone who don't use much makeup, just the lipstick or the kajal, I think it did not even remove the kajal completely. It did have, my face did have traces of kajal. So if you are looking for something which have to remove your makeup on dot, then this is not your choice. But if you want something very kind on your skin, and youngsters or like college goers who have really very sensitive skin with acne and all those, maybe you can try this out. So you can try if you are super sensitive skin. Otherwise I think you can stick on to Garnier micellar water. My choice would be that. So that's it about this product, and let's move on to the next product. That's a face wash. This is a face wash. This is a 100% soap free face wash. Yes, it is very gentle. It's just like a gel formula, and it's transparent. There's absolutely no color, no fragrance, nothing at all. It just impressed me really. I loved it. And this one is, like mentioned, it is for sensitive skin over here, and it is 100% soap free, very kind on your skin. And this has 150 ml of product and retails for 375. The only the only problem about this product is this is not a kind of affordable product, because this one face wash for 375 is a bit on the expensive side. I don't prefer face wash like more than 150 rupees generally, because that doesn't do anything much. It is just going to cleanse your face with like mild ingredients in it. So I personally don't prefer products about 150 rupees for a face wash. So this is double the time. I think when it comes to the price point, this one is not a good thing. So I am not happy about the price. Otherwise, the quality of the product is amazing. It's just super good. If you're super sensitive, if you're using it for your kids, and this is a must try if you are very allergic and all those stuffs. But otherwise, yes, this is expensive product according to me. For a face wash which retails for 375 is a bit on the expensive side. If you ask me if I would repeat this product, I think it's a big no, because most of my other face washes does the same thing with a very affordable price point. I think I would not be repeating. But of course, the quality wise, the product is very good product. If you are someone who wants to try out products which are vegan, which is cruelty free, very kind on your skin, if your skin is super sensitive, allergic to everything, then surely you can try this out. This really performs well. It even lathers very mildly but cleanses perfectly, and it leaves your skin really more soft and smooth. I love the texture of the skin after I washed my face with this. Quality 100%, price point I'm not happy. Move on to our third product, that is the moisturizer. Again, this is something which is very mild, very kind to your skin. That's what the Climb is all about. And this one has 125 ml of product, and this one retails for 430 rupees. Again, this is kind of a really expensive product. I would not prefer a moisturizer for almost 500 rupees. I think no. Okay, but coming to the quality of the product, yes, it's awesome. It hydrates your skin to a super extent. I am a very dry skin person, and I would prefer my moisturizer to be super hydrating and gives that not oily finish but a really nice glow, and it gives that super hydrated look. I just loved about it. But the only problem about this product is price point, because all the other things are absolutely superb. They don't have any color. It's just white in color. It resembles mostly like the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. This was something like this, and this is so light, you can see, and it hydrates your skin in just no minute, and it gives that really matte finish, but yet very hydrating. And again, all of the other Climbs, like it's vegan, it's cruelty free, it doesn't have alcohol, it doesn't have artificial colors, perfume, nothing at all. Super clean product, very hydrating. It claims to have 12 hours moisturizing. Of course, I agree. I love this product. Actually, the only problem about this product is the price point. Okay, if you are really interested to buy these products, you can always look out for a nice deal in Nykaa. I just got these products from Nykaa, and I got this as a combo. I'm not if Simple considers the price point, I think that would be really good, because I really love both of these products. But the only problem about this, the combo is almost like 850 rupees or 800 rupees is completely insane for a moisturizer and a face wash, because this is our skincare which we use every day. I get to use Lakme moisturizer and Pond's moisturizer at a very low cost, because I get to use like 200 ml of product for almost 150 rupees. I think that's absolutely super good. It just does whatever it has to be done. So whatever, if it even doesn't contain any of these chemicals, alcohol, whatever, the price point of this product is quite expensive. I think that's the only part about this Simple brand I did not like about. Otherwise, I would surely recommend this for the youngsters or young girls, college goers. This is unisex products. Anyone can, if you can use it. If you are allergic to almost all of these products, any of the chemicals, then surely Simple is a brand for you. This is very mild on skin. All of the people who are with super sensitive skin can surely try this. When I try out a lot of products from skincare and makeup, it's something that I always look into, because this is kind of an investment that we do on our skin. And of course, maybe as a YouTuber, I would be trying out different products to know what the product looks like and what the products how it works on my skin. But for others, even to, if you want to give a try with a new brand which is up in the market, I think the price point should not stop them. And that's something which I personally feel that they have to give a choice for people to try the product. Only then you can reach out for people who really gets to know about your brand. Except for the price, nothing else can stop from buying Simple. Simple is a super good product. I just love this. The packaging is of this face wash is a normal tube packaging, nothing much of it. The formula of this product is something like a gel kind of formula. This is so mild, so soothing on your skin. It doesn't really hurt your skin at all. It's so very mild. I just love the texture. And this one has infused with protein, pro vitamin B5 and vitamin E in it. So that's the best part about. And this one is 150 ml of product and retails for 375 rupees. So they do have a shelf life of almost 2 years. And yeah, that's it about this product. And this product is from Unilever. Yeah. And the next product is this moisturizer, which comes with this kind of a plastic packaging, and you've got to flip it, squeeze it, and then yeah, again, this one is 125 ml of product and retails for 430 rupees. I would surely show a small demo on how this product works on my skin. I'm going to remove the makeup using this Simple micellar water, and I'm going to rinse my face off with this 100% soap-free Simple face wash. I was not that very happy because it did not remove the makeup like the way I expected, the way the Garnier micellar water does. So I'm going to take this off on the right side to just check out. So how I don't have much of the makeup today. I just have a concealer and a little bit of lipstick. So let's see if really it removes all traces of this makeup. And I don't have any waterproof makeup on my skin right now. It's just a normal concealer. So I used it already, but I didn't really feel that very effective on very successful in this. So yeah, you could still see the traces of the concealer around my eyes, and so that's it. I will remove everything up now. Okay, so this is how it looks on Simple refreshing facial wash. This is 100% soap free, and I just love this product. I should say this is a highly recommended, very mild face wash, which is 100% soap free. You can surely give this a try if you love something very mild, very soothing. No fragrance, no alcohol, no animal derived products, absolutely vegan, cruelty free brand, made in India, and 100% soap free. Then maybe you can give it a try. 150 ml product is just a transparent product. It's a kind of gel based, not very runny, not very tight, gel kind of formula. Not drying, so any kind of skin type can use this product, and it did really cleanse very gently and hour after actually you remove your makeup from the micellar water. So I think this is one of the best face wash for someone who don't want to use a very heavy kind of cleansers or foaming or that kind of cleansers. I think this is such a mild, gentle and perfect for all skin types. I love this, and there's no fragrance, no artificial color, and nothing at all. 100% soap free. I surely recommend for all the sensitive type of skin and youngsters who really are into a skincare regime now can surely give this simple a try. I just love this product. This is a very light moisturizer, literally no fragrance at all. I just love the way this moisturizer is working on my skin. It's very light but very hydrating, and mine is a very dry skin, so any very normal moisturizer with which is light or which gives that matte effect doesn't work on me. I've even tried the Plum fragrance free moisturizer that dried out my skin like hell, but this one did not. I just love, if you have used the Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and this one just resembles like that. It's very light but it's just high curl, but at the same time it is not sticky. It just absorbs in skin really well, very moisturizing. My top favorite of current month or the past month is Simple moisturizing cream. I've been using only this one for really long. So that's it about this review on the Simple products today, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you're having an idea of buying this product from the brand Simple, then this review must have been useful for you. Until next time, it's bye from Divya.